Hello and welcome to the Views Club. Today I'm going to show you how to make cantaloupe water. It's going to be super quick, super easy, so let's get to it. We're going to slice it down the middle. You know I'm thinking about ice cream. Oh my goodness, look at that.
My method did not
Beautiful.
fail us.
You did good. I'm not good with picking melon, and Cloud picked this one out for us. How'd you do it, Cloud?
Well, our dad taught us when we were young because that was our favorite snack. So he said that you have to smell the fruit and make sure it has a sweet, kind of musky taste. I know that sounds weird, but you'll know once you smell it. And then the cantaloupe should feel heavy for its size.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this does feel heavier.
Yeah. And then like the risen type net skin, that's what you want to go for if you show the side of the skin.
Let me see, like this?
You can find one. Yeah.
Oh, like when it has those little ripples?
Like right here, it looks like a risen
belly
net
button?
a little bit. Yeah, that's good.
Like an Audi?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
But I'm curious to know how people choose their fruit anyway, so I think it's kind of cool once you figure out other methods.
Okay, so I use my ice cream scooper to scoop out the seeds, saving those for Bebe and whatever he's going to be doing for us. Bebe is my younger son. So I'm going to go ahead and slice that little end right here. And you guys requested, we got a lot of requests to speed it up a little bit for you guys. So for this video, I will. But if you want more information, let me know in the comment section so that I know what you guys want to hear. So just go around the groove. This knife, I'm still waiting for somebody that speaks Japanese or reads Japanese to translate for me, unless I'll head over to my Korean market sometime soon, and then I'll let you guys know in the community tab what kind of knife it is, and I'll make sure to link it in the description area for you guys if I can find it. You're gonna find that with the cantaloupe water, I don't need to add sugar. I don't need to add anything. I don't even add chia seeds to this one, guys. But it's gonna be up to you guys on whatever you want to do.
Yeah, and cantaloupe's really good for decreasing blood pressure. Our dad that's why he used to consume it a lot. And I like it more for like the vitamin C content.
Yeah.
And it's like I've noticed now there's a lot of skincare that has cantaloupe in it.
That's why our skin was so like good when we were younger.
Yeah.
Because right now, just drinking all the waters that we've been drinking, because you guys, all the waters you guys see, my family's been drinking them. The food that you guys see on my channel is what we're eating, and my family is thriving off of your request, so thank you. We appreciate that. I don't like to just make something to make it for you guys. I don't like letting food go to waste. And if you've ever had like a struggle meal or didn't have one, like you know what I'm talking about. You just don't like to throw food or let it go to waste. See, if you see a little spot that looks like it's not too great for you, just cut it up.
That's good. I'll use it for the compost for the garden.
Yeah. Well, it was just that little speck. The rest is fine.
Awesome.
Not too worried about it. So I'm going to go ahead and chop this up pretty good. Do you think you can get me about 4 cups of water, Cloud?
I got you.
Thank you, sis. Cloud and I read a lot of your comments about the Ninja blender, that's what you guys want. So we're coming up with a giveaway for you guys that you're gonna enjoy, and that the real Views Club can enjoy too, because those giveaways sometimes just end up getting too crazy. I don't get messages back. It just gets lost in translation. So we're gonna try and figure it out. But if the rules aren't followed exactly on how I set the next giveaway, I'm moving along after the days that I give you guys, okay? Because I know it might not seem like I have a life outside of YouTube, but I really do.
And they do too. So
yeah, you guys do too.
So why waste time?
Let's not waste time. So what we're gonna do, we have 4 cups of water, and that's pretty good. You can go as much water or as light as you want for this. So if you have a huge family that you're feeding, you can use a whole melon, blend it all the way up to 7 to 8 cups of water. You can dilute it however you need to and still enjoy this fresh water and its vitamins and nutrients. If you guys chose to use it with sugar or chia seeds, please let me know down below. Let me know about how much you use this time and how you're weaning off of it.
idea why I can consume this cantaloupe, but I can't consume
the honeydew.
I'm currently in the process of figuring that out. I have no idea.
You know, like the whole organic thing, what happened is there's certain things that my sister can consume, but then organic or not, it just depends, because you know, you get certain sprays with the non-organic, and I think that helps prevent from the ragweed coming out. So a lot of you guys might be allergic because of ragweed. That's what we learned from you, right, sis?
Right.
So we're gonna go ahead and blend this lovely water for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you have a blender that does not blend so well, keep it in there a little bit longer. And if it comes out more like a slushy for you, that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a nice smooth water. And I would say use about half of a cantaloupe. If it's still not working out, just take a little bit out and just portion it to whatever works for you and your blender. Again, I always say that because I want you to make it comfortable for your home. I don't want you to be discouraged that you can't make things because it's not exactly how you see it here. Make it work for yourself, okay? So let's go ahead and give this a blend. Okay, friends, now that we've blended this, we're gonna go ahead and strain this. I'm curious to know how many of you are drinking these waters and if you feel the effects of the detox. One of the things you wanna be careful when you're detoxing is that if you're detoxing too fast for your body to handle it, you're gonna have piercing headaches. Please be careful. Slowly transition into detoxing these things out of your system or whatever you're working on, because having those detox headaches is kind of like having a migraine headache. And the reason I say that is because I felt it. I'm not purposely trying to detox from anything. Because you guys know I'm going to go like back and forth from like eating the way that I do. I mean, I just know myself. So.
But I see you eating balanced meals.
I do eat balanced meals.
Do you torture yourself when you have something nutty?
Not at all.
Oh, okay.
I mean, honestly, I wouldn't have done mukbang if I did.
Oh,
so.
okay.
Like there's times where I would feel bad because I was raised where you don't eat in front of anybody and tease, and then when I would hear like, oh my goodness, like that just made me want it, I would feel so bad.
Oh, okay.
So that kind of got to like my heart, like the way that I was raised, and I'm like, well, that's not the human I want to be. I don't want to tease anybody.
Oh, when people were saying that they don't have the means to buy that, or
yeah, or when I had a lady telling me that her family couldn't afford the king crab, like if I can buy her family some, and I was like, well, if I was gonna buy you anything you can't afford that, I would buy you like food or something. But it was just an individual that was going around like all the YouTubers doing that. That's what I found out. But it made me feel bad, and why should I feel bad about it? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't like to feel those kind of guilt. But as far as my food, I know, like if I go on vacation, for some reason I don't crave naughty foods. It's rare. It's always like something, I want something fresh. That's why I like going to California, because you always have the fruit stands.
Yeah.
We're always like looking out for
well, you
for a
always
fruit stand.
vacation in nature.
You know, one of the things that you guys are having a difficult time sleeping, and we're going to be talking throughout our videos about sleep aids and things like that. We're going to continue to incorporate those for you guys. And then we're definitely going to do a video just strictly on sleeping of all of our tips. But let me tell you guys this so that you can kind of get your mind going. If you live in a busy city or you're always on your phone, a lot of technology, your body is going cuckoo, right? Because naturally we're meant to be like outdoors in a good environment, and society these days, we've just changed as humans, we've evolved. But if you want to reset your sleep time, you got to go and stay somewhere like natural, you know, like whether it's camping or like when we went to Sedona, I noticed when we came back, my clock reset itself. I'm already getting up again at 5 in the morning, like on my own. So, but then again, I don't have a difficult time falling asleep always, but then I also don't sleep a lot. Mm-hmm. You know, I just reprogrammed myself to a baby clock, to a mommy clock. How about you, Cloud?
It did help. I was sleeping in a little bit as far as like the transition from winter.
Yeah.
So I sleep in a lot in winter, and I feel that the times that I've gone out and have spent at least 2 days in nature, and I'm back, I automatically start getting up when the sun rises.
Yeah, but for you have to like travel a lot for work. So I can understand how that one gets difficult for you, because it's always like business, business, business. Like, where do I even tell my body this is where we rest?
Yeah, exactly.
You know? So definitely taking an outdoorsy type of vacation that doesn't have a lot of like the hustle and bustle type of environment is definitely gonna help you guys out.
Ooh, that looks so light and refreshing.
Like when we went to Colorado that one winter, like it definitely like really helps, and it helps you interact with your family a little bit more because you don't have access to a lot of things like where I'm at, or like California, you are busy cities. Like you're just busy, like you don't have time for chill with the family. It can get difficult, you know. You guys were asking me if you can have this without ice. Yes. The reason I put the ice in here is because I like it really, really cold. When you have agua fresca, the colder it is, the better it's gonna taste for you. So I'm just gonna pour this one just like this for you guys. Yeah, this Pyrex I wish had a better like spout to pour. It was funny, the family's asking, are you gonna make agua today? I'm like, yes, I'm gonna make agua every day for summer. But I love it when they ask me for these kind of things. It's so much easier. Ooh, yes. Okay, let's give it a taste. You ready? I'm not hoping, I know it was a sweet one. Look at the color. Like, isn't that beautiful? You guys can see it. Almost looks like orange juice. Before I continue, this is a lilac glass pitcher. I've been looking for it online for you guys everywhere. I can't find it. I can't find it. I'm gonna have to put it as part of the giveaway. Oh. How would you describe melon? I mean cantaloupe, my bad.
I'm just kidding. Sweet. Let me see. Sweet, and I don't know why I get that. It's not perfume, but maybe like I don't want to say musk because people are gonna get grossed out by it. But
I love
really
the musk.
what it is.
I love like vanilla musk or like a good soft musk. I like it.
This is so light and earthy.
Yes, it's earthy. There we go. All right, friends, that's how I make my cantaloupe water, my Melon agua fresca. If you like this recipe, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you click that subscribe button, you're gonna see a little bell pop up. And when that bell pops up, you click it, you're gonna get notifications about when I upload videos. So if you are making these recipes, continue to send them to me on Twitter and Instagram so I can show them at the end of our videos. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today and on this refreshing agua fresca day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!